Everyone's favorite model in Swan Lake, the Kingfisher layout, is always an end unit with striking architectural details and walls of windows with private green views from the front and the side, and a layout that can provide separation within living areas or be made into an open concept showpiece. 15 Christina Falls Ways offers infinite possibilities for the discerning Swan Lake buyer. The interlocked walkway leading from the double car garage and drive brings you to a private front terrace. The spacious front entrance welcomes a crowd with a spot to sit and take off your shoes, and it has convenient direct access to the garage and a front hall closet. As you enter the house, the spacious main floor layout unfolds before you, leading you to the open concept living and dining rooms that fit full suites of furniture and offer 9-foot and vaulted ceilings, hardwood floors, custom window blinds, a corner gas fireplace with marble surround, and lots of light streaming in from the large windows which look out to the green space at the back of the house. The adjoining family room is so bright and sunny, with walls of windows, hardwood floors, and a walkout to the private back deck. The separate eat-in kitchen has ample counter and storage space, pantry, and a cozy breakfast nook with a walkout to the front patio. This layout can be made open concept to the living areas if you wish. There's a very generous main floor master bedroom overlooking the private yard with a walk-in closet, and it has a full master ensuite bathroom including a walk-in shower stall and a separate soaker tub. This is a split bedroom plan, and the second bedroom is located at the front of the house. It's a great space and large enough for a den or office with a private full ensuite bathroom. The fully separate main floor laundry room is a rarity in Swan Lake with side-by-side machines, laundry tub, and built-in storage. The finished basement has all the room you need for your dream rec room or home theater. There's a separate room perfect for a home office and a large storage or workshop space. The oversized back deck at 15 Christina Falls Way offers a level of privacy not often found in Swan Lake, surrounded by mature trees and almost fully fenced. There's also a natural barbecue hookup for those perfect summer nights. The location of Christina Falls Way is ideal, with visitor parking at your doorstep and walking distance to the nearest satellite clubhouse with mail, party areas, outdoor pool, and more. Don't forget, there's a double car garage with a single car parking pad, so room to park 3 vehicles at all times.
Swan Lake is one of the GTA's most popular gated communities. This gated community of over 650 homes has no age limit and offers 24-hour security, a vibrant social scene, and fabulous amenities. Maintenance fees cover the care of the exterior of your home for carefree condo living, and also give you access to the 16,000 square foot Swan Club with a gorgeous indoor pool, sauna, as well as a fitness center with gym and exercise area, a billiards room, a library, a huge party and meeting area, shuffleboard, and a beautiful outdoor lounge and terrace with barbecues overlooking the pond. There are 3 satellite clubhouses in Swan Lake, and all of them have outdoor pools and tennis courts and are rentable for your use. There are nature trails surrounding the pond and walking trails throughout the village. Swan Lake is ideally located close to the GO Transit Station, Markham Stouffville Hospital, Markham Main Street shops and restaurants, large grocery and pharmacy centers, Markville Mall, and has easy access to the 407. For more information about this very special home, call or text us at 416-888-5640, email us at info@walkerparker.ca, or visit us online at www.walkerparker.ca.